Welcome to VSK Business Consultant. We're here to help job seekers navigate the interview process successfully. To ensure you make the best impression, here are the top 10 never do interview mistakes to avoid. Hey VSK Business Consultant subscribers. We're kicking off this session by addressing those common interview hurdles. What's the biggest difficulty you faced in an interview? Share your experiences in the comments below. We're ready to provide immediate solution tips. Interested in more career boosting content? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and like us on Facebook. Top 10 never do interview mistakes for job seekers. 1. Never be unprepared. Showing up without researching the company, understanding the role, or having thought about your answers to common questions is a red flag. It conveys a lack of interest and professionalism. Fix. Thoroughly research the company's mission, values, recent news, and the specific job description. Prepare thoughtful answers to common questions and have examples ready to illustrate your skills using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. 2. Never arrive late or too early. Punctuality is paramount. Arriving late shows disrespect for the interviewer's time and poor time management. Arriving excessively early can also be an inconvenience. Fix. Plan your route in advance, allow for buffer time, and aim to arrive 10 to 15 minutes early. For virtual interviews, log in a few minutes before the scheduled start time to ensure your technology is working. 3. Never dress inappropriately. Your appearance makes a strong first impression. Dressing too casually or too formally for the company culture can send the wrong message. Fix. Research the company's dress code. When in doubt, err on the side of business casual or professional attire. Ensure your clothes are clean, well pressed, and comfortable. 4. Never badmouth previous employers or colleagues. Speaking negatively about past experiences, bosses, or co-workers reflects poorly on you and raises concerns about your attitude and ability to work in a team. Fix. Focus on positive takeaways, lessons learned, and what you are seeking in your next role. Frame any challenges as opportunities for growth. 5. Never fail to ask questions. Not asking questions at the end of an interview can make you seem uninterested, unengaged, or lacking initiative. Fix. Prepare 2 to 3 insightful questions about the company culture, team dynamics, day-to-day responsibilities, or opportunities for growth. This demonstrates your engagement and curiosity. 6. Never be overly casual or too familiar. While building rapport is good, remember it's a professional setting. Using slang, making inappropriate jokes, or getting too personal can be off-putting. Fix. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout. Be friendly and personable, but always respectful. Follow the interviewer's lead in terms of tone and formality. 7. Never ramble or talk too much, or too little. Striking a balance is key. Rambling can make you seem unfocused, while giving overly brief answers can make you seem uninterested or ill-prepared. Fix. Keep your answers concise and to the point. Practice articulating your thoughts clearly and providing relevant examples without excessive detail. Listen carefully to the interviewer's questions. 8. Never use your phone or be distracted. Checking your phone, texting, or being distracted by other devices during the interview is highly unprofessional and disrespectful. Fix. Turn your phone off or put it on silent and keep it out of sight. Give your full attention to the interviewer. 9. Never neglect your body language. Non-verbal cues speak volumes. Poor eye contact, slouching, fidgeting, or a weak handshake can convey nervousness or disinterest. Fix. Maintain good eye contact, without staring, sit upright, and project confidence through open and engaged body language. Practice a firm handshake. 10. Never focus only on salary and benefits. In the first interview, while compensation is important, bringing it up too early can give the impression that your primary motivation is only money, rather than the role itself. Fix. Save detailed salary and benefits discussions for later stages of the interview process. If asked about salary expectations, provide a range or state that you are open to discussing compensation further as you learn more about the role and company. By avoiding these common mistakes, you significantly increase your chances of making a positive impression and landing the job. Trust VSK Business Consultant, Chennai, for all your career needs.